MLX, and I'm back with another video. As you can see here, Jay. As you can see here, Jay. Look, guys. He's here. The 6th grinder. I'm gonna put say hi, YT. Oh, hi, YT. And guys, I know I look like on a rogue gangster or online data, and you can call me that if you want to spam the comments, but I'm actually not. I just like this. You guys are not good friends. Shut your mouth. I'm joking. I'm listening.
I'm in the studio. Yeah, I'm in the studio. Dude, stop calling me. I'm in the studio, dude. I'm talking about Roblox.
I ain't get to play jailbreak. I ain't get to spend some Robux. I was locked up in that city. I ain't get to see some.
So guys, good connection. I'm gonna need to rejoin. But by the way, guys, you know him? He's my friend as well. He's a very good grinder on this game. I'm telling you. Sorry, dude. I don't accept randoms. Well, sometimes I do if you're good, but if you're a fan of my YouTube account. Yes. Guys, you loser. 666. Oh my god, that username. These two are brothers. Look, this person and that person. I think they're both brothers. Look, J Kel's brother. B_MLX is my YT. B_MLX is my YT. Look. You're on the 6th. Look, J Kel's brother, he's a grinder. I'm actually friends with him. Well, I don't know why it's that. It's a good. He's quite good. He's a good gamer. But yeah, I've actually got 5 wins in this one match. So no, in this one game, not match. Let me change my knife to a good knife. By the way, I'm sorry guys, I've traded away a couple of my knives and I've been hacked. I've was hacked the other day, most of my knives got taken away, so I had to keep them grinding to get more. I'll keep going for Riot case because that's a good case. You can get cool knives from that. Yes. If you want to shout out, I guess you can ask in the comments. I will shout you out. I'm trying to get copyrighted.
Made by Ezra.
I'm joking, I'm not playing Gun Lean. But I like that song, Gun Lean. It's quite peak. Next time I play. Sure. Yeah, they actually look like twins. Do you want to team with us? Sure. I think he wants to be my friend. Yeah, we're already friends. That person. Wait, did I friend that person? Oh, crap, I didn't mean to friend him. I'll team up with him. No, I'm joking. I don't go for one person, I go for a bunch. What does this do? Any my target. Oh. I can't see. Let me try and win this round for you guys. Bang. Oh, he's laggy. I think he's on mobile, like I am. I play on mobile. I won! Yeah! I'm quite a try-hard in this game. Alright, I'm laggy. Guys, go AFK. I called AFK. Guys, go AFK. I called it gay. I called FK. And I'll line up here to say bye-bye to my YT fans. When everyone is here, say bye YT, sub to V underscore. Where? When everyone is here, say bye YT. Yeah, I'm trying to get more subs, dude. I need more subs. And by the way, guys, if you ever get into a game with me, I can give you some pics if you want. Oh, someone said bye YT. Yeah, bye, guys. Make sure you sub. Hey. Guys, line up and go AFK and come here. Guys, if I look like a roadman to you, just comment it. So bad. It's up to be underscore MMOX. It's up to be underscore MMOX. Bye, YT. Yeah! Yay! Sub! Yay! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, someone said something to be underscore MOX. Make sure you do it, guys. It's going to be fun. Oh, so another person said something to be underscore MOX. And friend us. Oh yeah, guys. Friend Jay and Di and everyone. and I'll help you grind. Die, you loser. I think he's just joking around with that username, by the way. Bye. By the way, guys,